This is Vlogmas day 5. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. It's so freezing. Look at my butt chin. Here's Wicked. With the little mini croissant. It's the jelly beans. Don't look at my hands. There's nothing there. Today. And I need to cut my bangs because obviously they're Christmassy, so I just feel like it's too much for all the time. So here is the other one that I got last year. I'd gotten 3 and I only put 2. Merry Christmas. I don't even know how to go about this. It's like that. Should I have something in here first? And don't we love the little Wicked popcorn bucket? So the decorating in here is definitely coming together. It's so crazy though. Don't look like a trash can anymore. Day 5. It's something pink. I already know that. Remember I saw it yesterday. Brats. Yesterday we got a box, so today we're getting somebody. During Vlogmas, it's 3 in the morning. Muchísimas gracias for watching this video for day 5 of Vlogmas today, and I hope you're enjoying it. Let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys